Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Guys, I've started a series in which I take up simple conversational topics which we can practice English with. I divide the topic into 3 parts. First is related vocabulary, phrases, and then a short speech wherein you can start practicing everything along with me. You will learn related vocabularies, you will learn how to use phrases or make sentences out of those vocabulary and phrases. And then there's a small speech which will help you to practice shadowing also along with me. Okay, so this is a complete package in which you will get everything, whatever you need to start speaking on a particular topic. And the topics are also very simple, very easy, and very diverse, so that you get knowledge on different aspects and you can speak on it with anyone, anywhere, anytime. So let's start the topic. So today's topic is very simple. We do talk about our daily routine, right? This is the simplest way we can take up English speaking practice. This is the simplest topic which we can take up for practicing English speaking, right? Every day we do something or the other, right? So basic routine is the same, but something or the other we can add or minus things from this. So every day we can take up this topic and we can start speaking in English about it. Now, how to talk about it? First part, related vocabulary. I'll give you some vocabularies which will help you to start speaking in English on this topic. Now, I'll tell you the vocabulary. You can come up with sentences with that vocabulary also to help you speak on this topic. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one is wake up early or wake up late. We say this, right? I wake up early in the morning. I wake up late in the morning. Okay, which means start your day. I start my day, right? Wake up means to start your day. Okay, next. Get ready. Prepare for the day. Get ready means prepare for the day. Have breakfast, lunch or meals. Eat meals. Okay. Head to work or school, which means go to your workplace or school or college, whichever it is. Take a break. Rest for a short time. In the evening, later part of the day. Relax and unwind. Rest after a busy day. Go to bed, which means sleep. Busy schedule, a day full of activities. Okay, busy schedule, a day full of activities. So I've combined some vocabulary and phrases both in this. Most of them are phrases like wake up early or late, or go to bed, or have a breakfast, lunch or dinner. Take a break. So these are phrases. So generally we use a lot of phrases to describe our daily routine. Okay, so I've combined vocabulary and phrases into one. Now I'm going to talk about more phrases also, which will help you to come up with new sentences. Okay, how you can start off with, what you can include. So everything we can talk about in terms of by using phrases. Okay, so let's get to phrases now. For morning routine, what phrases we can use? I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Okay, next. The first thing I do is sip a cup of warm water. Okay, I start my day with exercise, yoga, walking, maybe drinking a cup of warm water, whatever you want. So these are ready-made phrases, sentences which you can fill in. Okay, like what I'm doing here. So you can also take up these phrases and you can add your own sentences or words to it to complete the sentence or to complete the phrase. Okay, I freshen up and get ready by 10 o'clock. I freshen up and get ready by 10 o'clock. Or I freshen up and get ready to go to office. I grab a quick breakfast. I grab a quick breakfast. Next, during the day, what phrases you can use to speak about your day? I head to work or college around 10 o'clock. Okay. Next, my day mostly involves working on my project or working on my laptop or attending meetings or attending lectures, right? I spend my time doing my work, or I spend my time doing so-and-so activity. I take short breaks in between meetings or in between work, whatever you want to, right? I stay focused on my tasks. Now, evening routine. After work, I usually go home. Next, in the evening, I like to relax and unwind. I spend time with my family. I catch up on news, music, exercise, whatever you want to talk about. Okay. I relax by taking a walk or listening to music or watching some movie, whatever you want, or reading a book. Yeah. Now, night routine. At night, I have dinner at 8 o'clock or 8 p.m. Right? Next, before going to bed, I read a book or I read a story to my kid. I go to bed around 9:30 or 9 o'clock. So this is how you can describe your daily routine. I've made it very simpler for you. I've used vocabulary and phrases in one section. The other section had phrases which you can complete, come up with sentences on your own, which was divided into morning, day and evening and night. 4 parts it was divided into, so that it becomes easier for you to frame sentences and to come up with a description to describe your daily routine. Okay, now let's get into the third part, which is a short speech I've prepared, which I'm going to put it on my screen so that you can shadow with me. You can repeat after me, whatever you wish, to practice English speaking. Here you can add your own ideas, come up with your own sentences, and you can come up with your own script as well. Okay, today I would like to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up early in the morning and get ready for the day. After that, I have my breakfast and head to work. During the day, I stay busy with my tasks, but I also take short breaks to relax. In the evening, I come back home and spend some time with my family or watch something interesting. At night, I have dinner and try to relax and unwind before going to bed. This is my daily routine and it helps me stay organized and productive. Okay, so this was a short and simple speech or a script which I've come up with. In this way, you can talk about your actual daily routine also, right? And you can add to it, or you can completely come up with your own script and speak on it. It's just that, you have to get started from somewhere. You have enough vocabulary, you have enough phrases, you have enough sentences to come up with your own script. So try doing this. It is definitely going to help you to practice English speaking and become confident and fluent in speaking in English. So this is how you can start practicing English speaking on this topic. It is very simple, very easy to follow, guys. Try using my videos. Take one video every day of mine and start practicing in this way. You will not need any help, any tutor, any teacher, anything to start practicing English speaking. This video will help you with vocabulary, phrases, sentences, and a script. Everything is there. Start practicing in this way at least for 30 days and you'll see a lot of difference in your speech, clarity, confidence, and fluency. So guys, if you like my video, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.